Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2020. It's the 18th match in round 1, and the scores are Montego Bay High on 19 points and Excelsior High on 14 points. Now let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will of course lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. The first question is from Bible knowledge. In the parable of the prodigal son, when the prodigal boy returned home, his father gave him a robe, shoes, and what other? Excelsior High.
Ring on his finger.
A ring on his finger.
Correct. What other item? Biology. What is the name of the polysaccharide that is a major component of the tough walls enclosing Montego Bay High?
Cellulose.
Correct. Enclosing plant cells. English language. Teams, please spell finesse. Excelsior High.
Finesse.
Is correct. Local affairs, a visual question. Teams, look on the monitor, please, and identify the person. Montego Bay High.
Morris Guy.
No, it's Barry Moncrief, former NDTC artistic director. Chemistry. What is the formula for calcium perchlorate? Montego Bay High.
CaClO4 bracket 2.
Correct. Music and audio question teams, please listen to the clip. Montego Bay High.
Coffee.
No, it's the Temptations. It would have been, and it would have been My Girl. Now, general knowledge. Which country is the largest producer of tin in the world? China. Spanish. Which part of the body is la rodilla? Montego Bay High.
The knee.
Correct. Geography. What is the name given to the border which separates Pakistan and Afghanistan? It's the Durand Line. Theatre and cinema, a visual question teams. Look at the screen and identify the person, please. That's Renee Zellweger. Information technology. What is the word pixel short for? Montego Bay High.
Picture element.
Is correct. History. Which wife of Louis XVI is credited with saying, "Let them eat cake"? Montego Bay High.
Mary Antoinette.
That's correct. Mathematics. A triangle has sides 10 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 6 centimeters. What is the value of the angle opposite the 10 centimeter side? Montego Bay High.
90 degrees. 90 degrees.
Correct. Physics. What is the name for the ratio of intensity of magnetization to magnetization force? It's magnetic susceptibility. Sports or visual question teams, please look at the monitor and identify this person. That's Sebastian Coe, IAAF president. Jamaican heritage. In Jamaica, what does the term labrish mean? Excelsior High.
Gossip.
That's correct. French. What fruit is la Mew? It's blackberry. Literature. What is the first name of Professor McGonagall in the Harry Potter books? It's Minerva. Art. In which UK city would you find the Kelvin Grove Art Gallery and Museum? It's Glasgow. With that, it's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. The scores are Montego Bay High on 27 points and Excelsior High on 20 points. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.